Yo chat, what's up? Oh, it's dark in here. Yo, Trollkirche. This seems a little bit better. Okay. Yo again, Xenox. How are you doing? How is everyone doing? I'm fine, thanks. It's public holiday today. Also in Austria because it's Pfingsten, I realize, but here it's here it's the national holiday in Sweden, so I can only be here until 2 o'clock and have a 3-block lecture. What a nice way to spend the holiday. No, thanks for tuning in, of course. Tomorrow as well. Well, RIP Trollkirche. Who does block lectures on a public holiday? Oh wait, no name dropping. Perhaps it wasn't possible any other way. But block lectures, what a nice concept. Slovenian professor? I see. Yo, thanks for following again, Xenox. Ah, the mug. Indeed. Ah. Oh, okay, let me... Yo, mug gang. Let me spell. Wait, the music is still very loud, isn't it? Do this IRL. I just did. Usually people spam that with the pod friend emote. I never understood why that should be fun. Seems like I don't know, sometimes I feel too old for Twitch, which is really very weird. Alright. Let me clean up my desktop a little bit and then I'll switch and we can look at, I don't know, either some code or some browser window, I don't know yet. No, actually I do know, I do want to review some things because there have been so many nice contributions lately. And I've been just busy with so many other things. Yo! Speaking of other things, I should edit my title and put the YouTube thing in there. New YouTube video dropped. Whoa. It was a bit silly, but I actually liked working on it. I did part of it on stream, didn't I? And then I finished it off stream. Hey Daryl. Streaming at a better time for you for once. Let me clean up my desktop some more. Finally good starting time? Yeah, I thought so. I thought so when I went live. Might be more convenient for some guys. You included? What's that even? Ah, okay. Wait, so let's put this over here. Let's put this over here. What's the time in your country? For me, it's 1 p.m. right now. Oktoberfest. Yeah, indeed. That got shipped to me at some point. I've worn it several times on stream already. I just participated because, well, as maintainer, you also were eligible if you merged like 3 merge requests or so, which was very easy because we have that easily. Here it's 6:30 p.m. Sweet. Yeah, I got it. Cool. Cool. So let me close some more things. I did something already today. All the more, well, critical things, I would say. Yo, Daryl, you might know that. Wasn't there at some point a document for onboarding new community, new core devs, which explained like the things, I don't know, the one password thing that they are eligible for that, and all of these things? Was that somewhere? I looked in our Nuclino, but I didn't find it there, and then I didn't know where else I could look. Yes. Yes is good. Do you perhaps also know where? Wait, I'm still... I'm too... Right. It's better. Okay, so I have a browser already. Let me close some more things. Passwords should be kept secret. This and this and this, and then I think we are about to be able to... Yo, AD Chaos! You should ping Epic Games developers at your next pull request. Daryl shared that yesterday in one of our Manim off-topic channels. I found that hilarious. How is it that they have so many developers in one group, and how has this never happened before, apparently? Yo, are my key bindings working? No key bindings today. Well, yo, 2 questions. Question 1: is the volume of the music okay right now for background things? A, and B, is there any desync between the audio and video? Slightly loud. Can slightly tune it down more. That should be better, perhaps. And audio seems synced? Okay. I changed some stuff again, so my mic is a bit louder, actually. For OBS, it seems it's too loud, even. Can't see a desync. Okay, that's good. That's good. These are things that are extremely hard to spot from my point of view, kinda. I usually have to stream it for a while and then watch my own VOD, which I hate doing, by the way. But well. Speaking of VODs, I should do something with some of the gameplay throughs that I have, like the Sword and Sanctuary one and the Tunic one. I feel like could do something. I have kept the videos before Twitch deleted them actually, so I do have those, but I'm too lazy to edit them together in some sort of watchable way, and I don't know what else I should do. Wait, I just remembered you should get destroyed by me in Tetris. How many channel points do you have? Maybe I should create a special channel point reward just for you getting destroyed Tetris. Wait, there's a community thing I can do, isn't there? It's like a channel point goal I can put up for the entire channel, and everyone can contribute towards that. And then if it's reached, then we can do that. A decent amount. Oh my. Let me check whether we can just desktop mirror. Okay, that works. Good. Good. Not everything got bricked while I decided I had better things to do in streaming. Action secrets. I should close that tab and not open it on stream. Okay, and this is the one that I just reviewed earlier. I asked you about poetry in Discord, if you remember. A while ago already, isn't it? So we had this discussion about your own code, wasn't that? That was you, right? Exactly. Yeah, I remember. I still think it should work, actually. I'm not sure why it didn't. But it's kind of weird. Daryl, if you share a link, then I'm willing to click on it. Tetris has this sort of thing, right? Like a lobby that you can share a link, and then I'm clicking on something, and then no, not you, Xenox. I was talking to Daryl with his request to play a round of Tetris against me. But yeah, so what? It wasn't working. It wasn't working for you, right? The poetry setup. Right. The only thing I can Jesus. The only thing I can recommend is installing the package again. Okay, then I stay anonymous. Ugh. Wait, I have to I have to read. Also, music is very loud, isn't it? Can I tune that down somewhere? In settings. Where do I find settings? Room? Music, random. just exit the room first. Wait, what? Config. Oh Jesus, this is loud. Is my Spotify also still playing? No, I stopped it. Okay. At least that worked. Turn on... Ah, yes. Loud. Tweak music. No, I think that's fine. Okay, that should be fine, right? 7. Let's use 7. Back. And now I click on your link again. You may want to try Zen mode to get a feel for the controls. Not that it'll matter. It won't matter indeed. Wait, is there a backpack? What's the key for backpack? Look at that. Okay, spacebar is the thing. I can rotate stuff, that's cool. I have no idea what I'm doing. Look at that. Well, that was stupid. Not what I wanted to do, but well. You can press left shift to hold. Ah, yeah, that's what I was looking for. Thanks. Okay, I'm good. I'm good. Oh no, I'm so stupid. Wait. Wait, can I... Let me click on your link again. Wait, is it gone? No. The config should have been saved. Yeah, it seems to me as well, because the music was still quiet-ish. Oh, okay. It's fine. It's fine. Got it, whatever. Wrecked. Yeah, this is about to be me when I play against Daryl. Ooh, I don't know if I should destroy you quickly or slowly. Whatever you feel like. Ooh. Jesus Christ. Am I already dead? Wait. Oh, my thing was in chat. Maybe this here. To be entirely fair, my cursor was caught in the chat window at the moment. Wait! Ah! Coffee! What am I doing? Oh, come on. Look at that! I managed to clear something. I kinda know why I didn't do this sooner. Yo, thanks for following.
Just resubscribed for 4 months.
Thanks for...
before disaster struck Omega Lal.
What do you mean with moments? This is... Oh, I'm dead. I mean, I was dead all along, wasn't I? Yeah, at least you finished this quickly. Oh, come on. How? Wait. No. Wait, I'm doing really bad things here. I think I can't even... No. I'm joking, you say in the chat. Really? I didn't notice. I think my favorite thing about this was how chill the music remained. Though got completely obliterated. Well, that was stupid. No, it's okay. Oh wait, I didn't want to do it. No! You see, I lose even if if I don't have someone to compete with at all. Where's the next straight piece? Look at that! Oh no. No! I don't know why this is funny to me. Okay, I'm dead. I lose without Daryl even doing anything. I will play as slow as possible. I'm not sure this will make any noticeable difference because, you know, I'm really bad at this. Should I give you advice here? Let's do a separate Tetris coaching stream sometime, maybe. Because otherwise I feel like this will I did something. Ooh. Yo! Easy clap in chat. Thanks, Daryl, for playing. Ah. Well, that was lovely, wasn't it? GG, well played, Daryl. GG. How long have you been playing Tetris? I wonder. That was a hard-fought battle, at least for one of us. Ooh. Many years, many years. There was a point, like maybe, I don't know. When did the Switch release? There was this thing, Tetris 100 on the Switch. And I played that for a while, and I feel like at some point there's this, I don't know, you leave this state where you have to think about where Tetris 99, I have no idea. 100 is close enough. Tetris 99, okay, 99. 99 it is. And I've been playing that for a fair amount actually. And I can remember after practicing for a while, there was this moment where I didn't really have to think about how the pieces have to go, and otherwise you just, I don't know, feel it, or there's much more intuition and some sort of, I don't know, motoric sense about it. And well, the last game of Tetris I've played is, I don't know how long this ago now. And you can definitely tell. But I was never that good. I was never in a form that I could have, I would be able to compete with that. Very impressive, Daryl. Very impressive, though. I did watch you. Have you watched Doremi's Tetris 99 videos? No, I haven't. I haven't. What was it? There was something I wanted to say. I forgot. Wait, what? Why did I just get the ping notification from my Discord? It pinged earlier, right? Yeah, it did. Weird. Weird. The notifications might be a little bit time delayed. Definitely link me one. Yeah, sure. React streamer. I'm not sure I want to watch it right now on stream. I do want to like review 1 or 2 PRs first, perhaps, but maybe after. This won't be like a super long stream. I do want to cook food at some point, but I usually eat rather late, so it's probably, I don't know, 2 or 3 hours or so. maybe in that direction. I've actually been not streaming the past few evenings because either I was extremely tired, which was true for like 2 days ago and probably 3 days ago as well. And yesterday I didn't stream because I was playing a mix of Path of Exile, which I can't really stream because my laptop here is too weak, and I'll perhaps do that when I'm back at home and have my proper setup. And Diablo Immortal. I am curious how far you can go without spending actual money. But regardless, please do link me stuff to watch, Daryl. I'm curious. Okay. Shall we do some Manim stuff? What did I say in the title? I would review some videos, right? Some pull requests. Let's do that. So there's this one, the NP testing one, which should be fine, I guess, especially if the tests pass. There's this one here, so there's 2721. Let's make a list with things that I want to review. Oh, this also has to be much larger. This maybe? Is this readable for you guys? The background music now feels oddly disconnected to the to the energy that I still have from playing against Daryl. Okay, for me it's fine. Good. So PRs to review. All of them. No, I'll just pick a few of the recent ones. So what do we have here? Oh geez, there's so many open ones. What's the status with this one here? That seems sort of... I commented here, I can remember that. Sort of unresolved, perhaps. I think this one I shut down, more or less. Should perhaps close it too. Feel free to come back to this whenever. I'll close the PR for now. And reopen it whenever I feel it. Okay, close. Easy, one PR done. So what did I actually want to do? I wanted to make a list of things that I want to review. Okay, there we go. I definitely want to look at 2794. 2746. That's perhaps a good one. That should be a very fast one to look at because I just need to reproduce the issue that was reported in there in the Docker image, and then if it is as the person says, then we can just do the thing and then it should work. Porting, typing, and new function. Ah, yeah, that's Mr. Diver. Replace assert. That's good one. 2743. What else? What else? What else? I'm not sure what's the status with this one here. Tests are failing, question mark? Is this true? No, the read the docs build failed? The hell? What? What? That's a new one. There's a programmable error in your configuration file. What do you mean? Traitlets. That seems kinda random. Let's try rebuild. That shouldn't happen. Wait, where's my... There it is. Okay. We'll see whether that fixes something. And if not, then this can probably also be put on the list. 2739. What else? What else? Give me more. There was one more that I can remember that I looked at before. Ah, yeah, this one. Because I was pinged in there, I think. 2721. Okay, that's 5 PRs. If we manage to do all of them, then that will be pretty good, actually. Which one should we start with, chat? New feature, old feature? Let's start with an easy one. I can feel good about doing something. Okay. Troubleshooting solution to installation does not support converting PDF to SVG. Okay, so with the custom text template, which compiles directly to PDF, apparently the Docker image can't render text. It's kind of weird. Let's check whether we can reproduce it. Are you guys working on anything interesting with Manim or just hanging out? Anything fun going on? Docker. Wait, was it Docker Run IT? I haven't used Docker in a while. Docker Run IT. IT. We'll see. We'll see. Not really currently. Mainly preparing for a seminar paper presentation next week. Oh yeah. How did writing your paper go? Cannot connect to Docker daemon. Yeah, that's what I thought. Let's start it up and use the little RAM that I have. On your prototype, the professor recommended doing the presentation first. That actually makes a lot of sense because you have to think about the way you structure things in order to present them. So that forces you into some sort of well, general structure, I guess. Can definitely make things easier. Good recommendation, I think. Okay, now this is up and running. Does it work now? The detected... Wait, what? Oh no, it's fine. I'm in the container, I think. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. So, how do we reproduce that? Python. From Manim import star. I can just do it on the interpreter. Should work. Exactly, I like it so far. Yeah, I can see why that would be a useful recommendation. Oh, there's an email I should answer. Wait, it's but it's a holiday in Austria today, so it doesn't matter that much, perhaps. I should maybe I'll do that before I have lunch. Okay, so and now tech config equals tech template tech compiler equals xelatech output format equals PDF. I don't really care about the preamble because I don't think it's relevant. And now we create some tech. Hello world with this setting. Tech template equals tech config. Let's go. xelatech failed to, but did not produce a log file. True. Wait, I should increase this some more. Okay, so that's true. It failed, but it did not produce a log file. Shell xelatech not found. Really sure that's the problem? Wait, what? Apt? No, not apt. tlmgr install xelatech. Sudo. Oh, come on. User root tlmgr install xelatech. Do it. Do it. Do it. Is he doing anything? Cross-release updates are only supported with update tlmgr latest. Why do I have such an old image? Or is the... Wait, how do we install... Oh my god. Oh my god. No, my image must be old. Because, wait, what's the Manim version? Why does this take ages? It shouldn't. I don't think it should be that slow. Manim community v... Zero 040? When did that release? That must be ancient. Okay. Docker pull Manim community Manim stable. No, other way around. And I was wondering why things are broken. Well then. Well then. What's the course, the block course on that you have to go to, Trollkirche? Also, we probably can pay out predictions. Wait, should I have done that? I should have done that probably, right? Whoever believed, thank you very much. Wait, why don't I see... I voted for you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But to be fair, you didn't know. You probably didn't know about Daryl's. You probably didn't know about Daryl's Tetris skills. Why are my... Oh, now it's working. So weird. First time watching you live? Yo. I should play around some more with my audio settings. The music I hear right now is rather quiet and I like to have it a little bit louder and I can't adjust it any louder, so should probably fix that somehow. How did I do that before actually? What was it that I did? I think I did something like this. And then I made it a little quieter here. Now you probably can't hear anything really. Then I switch back. Then I can tune it up a little bit again here. And now it's too loud for me. Exactly how I thought this through. Why did this setting change at all? I hate it. Wait. How about now? Is this good in terms of audio? Wait, was I pinged somewhere? Oh, okay. No, it's fine. Where's my chat now? There it is. There we go. Okay. Okay, and this is also done. Let's try the same thing. Root. Let's check Manim version first. 15.2. Good. TLM. So wait, and now let's check whether the command that we ran earlier, whether that works here. From Manim, import star. The history isn't here, obviously, because it's a different container. Tech config equals tech template. We set the tech compiler to xelatech and the output format to PDF. And then we just tech hello world with tech template equals tech config. Do it. There we go. Now we have a good error. This is one that we can understand, perhaps. I couldn't be sure you weren't secretly the best Tetris player in the world. Yeah, what a surprise would that have been, right? Well, perhaps I still am, and I've just faked my skills. Probably you can't fake that. Where was I? Right. Okay. So, and what did the person suggest that we do? Install Ghost script. Why is Ghost script not installed? Apt-get install Ghost script. Do it. Oh, 56 megabyte more. Eh. Yo, Mr. Driver. Hello there. Hello there indeed. How are you doing? Keeping the cover up. Nobody should know. Nobody should know indeed. Yo, welcome in the elite club of Manim community devs. I'm feeling ported. Where have you been ported to? Oh, is it bad pun day today again? Import tech. Do it. Yeah, then it works. Sweet. So actually the second line isn't even necessary. We don't need to set the libgs environment variable because it manages to find the thing itself. I'm now available under manim.dev. Manim.dev, why don't we have that yet? Is that registered? Ooh. Accept. Wait, why can't I? Manim dev. Oh, I have bought more expensive domains before. Wait, actually I wanted to check something else recently. Why don't I show you guys? Yeah, that's also a question. What do we have here? Manim.com. Manim.com is sold? Now I'm curious. Wait, I should not do that on stream. Oh, that's just a park domain, I see. Manim.gg. That's an interesting one. Manim Dev, $15. Manim Inc. What? Why is that 1,000? Well, actually 2,000. Manim Live. Is this worth? Is the? I have spent way more for practical jokes already. We're in the Manim business. Manim us. Manim Digital, Manim Pro. Manim Gay, Manim Wiki, Manim Beauty. Manim Beauty. Manim Me. Manim Is. Oh, there are so many good ones. Manim.cc is taken? Really? From Manim port self. Manim XYZ is also registered? Who has that? Alibaba. Wait, but that's a legit one, isn't it? No. I thought didn't Manim Kindergarten have a domain something like that? I can remember they had something like that in the past. Manim.io actually. Wait, who has Manim.io? Sorry, chat. I would do this on stream, but I'm way too scared. Manim.me. Who has Manim.me in 2017? Wait, that's a website. But what is it? Oh no, something is... What's that? Are we getting sued? I'm clicking on English, but it doesn't do anything. Well, okay, Manim.me is taken. Anyhow, I should not spend money on a practical joke. I have done that too often before. Ah. Okay, anyhow, so just to make sure, doc ps doc but that was fine. The image is down. No, it's not down. Oh, I'm so stupid. Now it's down. Okay, we have a new container. We install ghost script. Just write a module with your name. That's practically enough. Get install ghost script. Yes. Python from Manim import star. Hello world. Hello Twitch. Org. Tech template equals tech template. Tech compiler equals Xela tech. What's the other thing? I don't output format. Format equals PDF. 1, 2, go. Yep, works. Okay. This is actually not necessary. Setting the libjs env variable is only required if the ghost script you want to use is not in a default location or so. And this just adds ghost script. Are these sorted by any means? No. CDL PQR. Wait, what? F, B, G, C. Okay, nobody sorted these ever. It's fine. Not like this, but yeah, currently crying because there are basically no tests written for OpenGL. Yeah, OpenGL tests are really something that's quite lacking, unfortunately. Perhaps the music is a little bit too soft for what we're doing right now. Kind of need hype music, but I'll change it to something more exciting in a moment, perhaps. And then otherwise, we approve. Thank you for your contribution, and sorry it took a while until someone had a look at this. Just tested it locally. Can reproduce the problem and verify that the proposed solution works. That's it. Full stop. Let's add a smiley. It's seem friendly. Approve. Go. Update. Docker file removed. Remove setting libgs. Commit. Good. Configured ghost script in the Docker image. Actually, it's not really so much about configuring rather than installing. Installed ghost script in the Docker image. Save. I didn't know that the current image didn't come without. I didn't know that the current image had ghost script not installed at all. I thought this was like a dependency of the DVI stuff, but apparently that's not true. Confusing. What's that? Infrastructure maintenance. Enhancement. Sure, whatever. Maintenance probably isn't true. Do we have a Docker thing? Probably not. No. All right. Done. Wait, not done? Pre-commit? What? What? How? Why does Flake complain about something that's in the library since, I don't know, forever? I can't remember merging something recent. Was there a Flake update, perhaps? Huh? Because this hasn't been changed. Did the dependable update only... That's my pie. No, it's really weird. Why does it suddenly complain about this? Did this already complain about this? No. Was there perhaps some new version released and then it suddenly uses this one? Well, anyhow, let's tune up. Let's give it one more chance. Well, that's a change. Still the same playlist though. Does the bot still work? Yo. The bot is still running as well. Whoa. Okay, I don't understand why pre-commit is complaining here, because neither this PR changed anything, nor, I don't know. Perhaps pre-commit was updated somewhere. Unnecessary use of map in IPython magic and in frames comparison. C417. It's kind of weird that both of those use C417. Must have been some sort of update. But well, we can fix that. Also, I could perhaps actually hello. Gotta go. Enjoy your course. See you later, perhaps. The color looks much better now. Way less white. Have fun, guys. Wait, that's kind of problematic when I say it like that. The white balance is better. What was I doing? Right. I was wondering about this. I wanted to look at the two things that fail. So it's in IPython magic. IPython magic. And where there? 134. Object in map lambda class name group RO. I see. So we just changed it. Or we don't change it and ignore 417, but there are two. That's so weird. User generate the expression instead. Yeah, blah blah. Whatever. I mean, I'll change it, because why not? I actually don't like map too much. So we make a list. We say parent class name or parent class in. It's the same thing, right? Group.mro. Why is it checking it like that? Wait, what? That's kind of weird. Yo, I will go and fetch some more coffee. I'll be right back while I wonder why on earth the check would be like that. And is there a case where this doesn't happen? Anyhow, be right back. More coffee, more coding, more reviewing, whatever. We'll see what we do. I'm ready. Song. Yo, the Donkey Kong soundtrack was pretty good, I feel like. Probably one of my favorite soundtracks in terms of game music. My favorite one is probably the Undertale one. Undertale is pretty good in terms of music. Hey, Cookie Bow. Hey. Ah, hot. I have 420 beans. Spend them. I have infinity ones. Wow. Okay. What was I doing? Ah, right. Fixing the two. Jesus. What's that? No. No. Let's save and then I should see where I actually did the change. Over there. Okay. I'm happy with that one actually. And what was the second one? Frames comparison pi, line 95. Keyword arguments contain the eventual parameterization arguments. This modifies the test name so that it is defined by the parameterization arguments too. What? highlight my message, say less. What are you guys doing? Wait, how did the... It's actually a good question. It should be about as loud as my voice, if not even a little bit... No, it's a little bit quieter than my... Yeah, that's me looking at Manim code, definitely. Is that from, in terms of volume, about as loud as my voice, and should it be quieter? Discuss. I'm willing to change it, just have to know in which direction. What was I doing? Right. This modifies the test name so that it is defined by the parameterization arguments too. Not sure what that means, but well. Ah, there's an example below that. 2. Example. If length is parameterized from 0 to 20, the keyword X will be with ones with... I'm not sure I understand it better afterwards. No, I think I kinda do understand it. The keyword icons will... contain. Wait, I should just fix the original wording. Will be with, once with, will be once with, blub, etc. Okay, that's a little bit better. And this here should be changed into what? It should be changed into... the F string. Ah, now I understand. So the keyword arguments are put into the thing for to in keyword args items. Thanks, Copilot. Actually, good job. That should be fine. Ah. That should be fine. Okay, now we have 2 changes, and I should probably just push that. What's that? Ah, that's the PRs to review. We managed 1 so far. Where's my terminal? I can't use git without... Thanks. Git check out main git pull. Stuff happened. Good. Git check out -b fix flake. What was it? C417. Then we commit these 2. Blop. And blop. Fixed flake C417 and improved comment. Git push upstream my thing. Fix flake C417. Wait, what? Oh yeah. New branch created. Check. No. Clicking the thing. Fixed flake C for 17. I think the C actually is large. And improve the comment. Assign. No. Wait, this is a maintenance. Enhancement. Well, actually, not really an enhancement. It's just a maintenance thing. C title. The pre-commit CI complained about it in, what's the PR with the Docker thing? 2746. Can I recall 4 numbers in 2746? For some reason. Remove everything else. Create. I think this is fine. There we go. Now watch pre-commit CI fail for something else. I'm sure. Could have actually run it locally before I... Do we get beans by watching the stream? Yeah, exactly. The beans that you get are my channel points. And Twitch's channel points you get mainly by watching the stream. You can gamble some of them whenever we have a prediction. I could perhaps at some point play with the global community goals for something where people can spend their channel points towards, and yeah. You have this little menu and then you can see all sorts of things. Most of these do something in or on my stream, so there are some visuals or audio effects that play when you activate them. I should have ran it locally first. Oh, black actually failed. Wait, but it fixed it, right? Yeah. Pre-commit is the actual MVP in this stream. In both files even. Exactly like that. That's how it works. Wait, now my mic is too loud, right? I keep seeing that it... Do I have a compressor? Wait. Actually do. Wait, so while this is testing again... Yo. Speaking of recalling for numbers, you should do human benchmark on stream. I'm terrible at all of these. I can tell you that right now. Don't even need to do it on stream, I know it. I'm extremely bad at remembering any sort of things, but I can do that. I can do that at some point. Just want to do some more Manim first, and then maybe before I stop and go and have lunch. So let's review 1 or 2 more, and then I can do a break where I show you how terrible I actually am. So, but this looks fine now, doesn't it? Yeah, I think it should be good. Okay. We managed something. I don't think that this test here is actually particularly good. It should not happen like this, but well, it is how it is right now. And if that gets merged, then we can also merge this one. I could actually also already merge this one, because the Docker files don't change anything with the test infrastructure. So these tests should pass independently. Yeah, there we go. Already almost all of them passed. Except for this one which runs for eternity. How bad is the green in my background actually? Let me quickly check. Not even that bad. Can't really see any fragments. Weird. Anyhow. Okay, so this is one that we could merge already. Assuming that someone takes a look at this one. Perhaps one of the... Well, if someone has time to approve these, then that would be nice. I don't see that. I think I just literally replaced the maps. And then I queued us with questionable validity. I don't really believe in these online IQ tests, but they are fun in terms of pattern matching often. I've done something like that once or twice. I'm usually also very slow. Okay, so that's done. 2746 is done. Where's my list? It was here somewhere. PR's review. 2749. Easy clap. Next. The speed controller. I did want to check that out because that was pretty cool. Examples. Yeah. I really like the ability to change the speed of an animation while it is being played. That's pretty cool. Look at that. Woo. One more. That's pretty cool. Aha, so this changes things somehow. Wait, what? Change speed at update? Seems kind of weird. That was exactly what I asked a few days ago. Wait, what? What did I say? I once did an online IQ test and it had a section for visual reasoning asking to imagine certain shapes that looked like Tetris shapes rotated. I got like 80 from that. I love these tests. They're so hilarious. See on YouTube. Clicking on YouTube. Sorry, it was very loud. That's pretty fun. The shattering is pretty cool. Yeah, that's smooth. I'm impressed. Good one. The speed controller changes the speed of animation in general. Let's look at it. Files changed 22. Ugh. Why is there 22 changed files? Oh, wait, use vectorize? This builds on some other PR, doesn't it? Wait, what? Oh, that's not even the right PR. Where did it go? There. You switched the tab? I was so confused right now. it looked like your PR. Animation speed modifier. So what is the speed modifier? It's an animation. Modifies the speed of the past animation. Animation group with different lag ratio can also be used with which combines multiple animations into one. Runtime of the past animation is changed to modify the speed. Okay, this should go into the thing. TDT0 change this false. Okay, so it stores the animation and calls first self setup for it. If animation is wait, then changed wait. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Wait animation but follows rate function. Question is whether we need a separate function for that, but well. A class method for adding an updater. Wait, how does it work? It calls setup. What does setup do? Setup is not specific. Oh, yes, it is. If it's a wait animation, it returns a changed wait animation, and otherwise it returns prepare animation of animation. Jesus Christ. That's from animation. And that does what? Is this the thing that... Okay, so this just takes care of the animate syntax. Okay. Okay, so this here is an actual animation, regardless of anything being whatever has been passed to it. Okay. That's not good, but okay. It's actually a rather clean way to write, to be honest. But probably the CI, the pre-commit pipeline will complain again. Group is animation.group. That's good. Group equals animation.group. Wait, what? if it's an animation group, does it have a group, really? Okay, it's just a group of objects. That's okay. Ooh. Okay. So self.anim is, for all practical purposes, a set of animation. Why is subclass? Why wouldn't you use is instance? Don't think that there's a reason for that. And this here could, I think, be improved somewhat, because otherwise you run the setup code for the animation group and then you run it again in the next step. But well, this is nitpicking. Can you even read this chat? That's tiny. Nobody dares to say anything. Should be a little bit better. Okay, the rate function. We store the rate function, which is either the rate function of the past animation or the rate function argument, which is by default none. Okay. A function where f of 0 equals 0, f prime of 0 equals m, f prime of f 3 minus 1 of 1 equals n, m being initial speed, n being final speed. Following function obtained when conditions apply to vertical parabola. Okay, I guess. F inverse. So this is the ominous function, which is also mentioned in here. Yeah, okay, that makes sense, I think. If 0 not in speed info, then speed info of 0 equals 1. If 1 not in speed info... I'm not sure I like speed info as a parameter name, but I think that was the same in the last PR. f3 minus 1 of 1 returns x, for which f of x equals 1 in speed modifier function. True. If 0 not in speed info, then... Okay, then we set the speed info of 0 to 1. What does speed info do exactly? Contains nodes, percentage of runtime, and its corresponding speed factor. And the speed factor is... Okay, I think I understand that. That's good. This I think I've seen before, this part of the implementation. Self conditions append lambda x current time blah 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 duration. Current time over total time less equal x less equal to current time plus self f inverse f and n m and n times duration. Where does m and n come from? Speed info items. N is the vol. Oh my. Why don't people use more than one letter variables? I think it would be worth it to rename M and N so that their variable names reflect their actual purpose. Suggestion. Lambda xmn. Lambda x, so what is m? Initial speed. N is final speed. N is final speed. Final speed squared minus initial speed squared times x squared over 4 plus m initial speed times x. This doesn't fit in the line anymore, so it needs to be broken up at some point. But that's not a problem because we can just... And now this is where we will make a mistake, for sure. Because I don't know how to properly do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know. Black will have an idea of what to do with this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Parenthesis closed. Because we want to keep it concise. Yeah, that's what I feel as well. I mean, generally speaking, that's the way how a lot of mathematical code looks like. Because in, well, all sorts of written math, there's the convention that variables are one-letter variables. But in reality, I think it would be easier very, very often if also this convention was adopted a little bit. Of course, it depends on the context and everything, but I do feel that I don't know, less of my living time would have been spent on deciphering one-letter variables if there was a little more context behind them, right? Okay, Ed. Same comment as above. Let me maybe just this would... Why is this so slow right now? Why am I typing like one letter per second? What's that? What's it doing? It's not my laptop, right? No. It's really weird. Let's try again. This makes the code more maintainable. It's fun to watch how things are written. I feel like watching the stream myself. Update comment. Okay. Maybe a comment would help here. If speed at beginning of animation is not set, set it to 1. If speed factor and if 1 is not in speed info, then should we write one comment that explains both of these? Probably, right? Because I feel like this sort of warrants a comment. If speed factors for the starting node 0 and the final node 1 are not set, set them to 1, and the how do you say that? How can we make this a sentence? I'm so used to Copilot completing my sentences at this point. I need Copilot for the browser. There's drama on the Manim server? Oh no. Set into 1 and the penultimate vector respectively. Wait, what? Oh. Oh, I don't care. Yeah, definitely sour taste. I don't know, we didn't have this discussion last year. Kind of weird, but well. I continue here and don't really care. Okay, so we have this. So this sets the speed if it is not set at the beginning and at the end of this dictionary. What happens then? Speed info items. Okay, so this just sorts the dictionary. That's fine. So that the nodes are in the relative nodes are in order. Self function, self conditions. To the total time. Okay, so this just gets the total time of the animation. And I think this is nothing special, right? Get total animation. It's just not. This is probably in composition. Wait, what? Self.get total time. Is this specifically implemented for this here? It is. Okay. Previous node is 0, m is self speed info 0, total time is 0. And then we iterate over all the nodes, starting with the first one, so after the 0th. The duration is the relative distance between the... So that's the relative time between the first and the second node, or between two nodes. And then the total time between the two is added. So the duration, that's the relative duration, and then times this inverse function for m and n. Yeah, that makes sense. So depending on the velocity that has been set, it changes it scales the total duration of the time up. Makes sense. This is a debug print and should be removed. Comment easy. And then we return the total time. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. So given a speed dictionary, it computes the total runtime of the animation depending on the past parameter values. It's good. It's really funny when I read stuff like this. I really have the urge to write those for you excluding people. To like excluding people. I don't know. I don't quite understand why there's this amount of drama around the Discord server changing profile picture this year. If people don't like it, they are very much welcome to leave. Sometimes it's just better to keep opinions to oneself. I'm open to having conversations about it too, but I mean, what's there to win with an what's there to win with an view that starts, I don't know, what the hell, the profile picture has been changed, why is there a rainbow? Hey Lola Cat. I don't know, these sort of things tend to bring my mood down, which is unfortunate. Conversation versus unconstructive hate? Yeah, true. I wouldn't care if a certain someone didn't join the... No, I don't care about that either. Everyone's entitled to their opinions. But I do agree, I mean, the discussion is not particularly good for the general channel. It's kind of weird to have it there. But whatever. I will not invest any life energy in trying to resolve that. Will nuking it cause drama? I don't know. And it's not really something I want to think about. I just want to review this code here and be happy. Functions append. What do we append here? Wait. So slowly. Topic change. Oh no, is it that bad? It does bring the mood down a little bit, I fear. Yeah, I don't care. No, let's finish this. I have coffee. It's a holiday today. I have time to look at code. It's all good. Okay. So there are two lists, conditions and functions, which are iterated over for every node in the speed direction list. The question is it just me or is voice desynced from cam? Is it? Lup. It shouldn't be. At least locally, I couldn't really see a reason why. Is it like that for anyone else or just for Daryl? If it's just Daryl, then try reloading the page maybe. Desynced for me too? How far desynced is it? Lup. Wait, let me try something. How about now? Camera should be back to normal. And I can't really see a reason for why it would be desynced. Better, but not fully resolved, question mark? I can clap. Slight desync is okay. It should just not be too desynced. I mean, I'm annoyed at slight desync as well, but I feel like I can live with you guys. Oh. F. F. Tiny F. Are we back? Stream. Stream should be back. I hope. No F? Oh, there was definitely a F. I could see it in OBS that there was a slight connection issue for a moment. Actually, tiny F again. Not good. So something's happening. Anyhow, let's continue. Let's continue stuff for a little while. Okay. I just brushed it off as my internet's going buzzle again. It's the same for me, unfortunately, and I don't really know what causes it. I've had issues with my provider since I've moved in here, and it's always in the late afternoon. Sometimes also in the evening. There are like drops of the connection that are between a few seconds and up to like a minute or so. It's really extremely annoying. It's not a router issue. It's restarting it doesn't really do anything. So it's really weird. I don't know. Anyhow, let's continue. Okay, so we have our two lists here. My internet goes out with sun intensity. That's lovely. I like that a lot. The two conditions that we have here. So the one list is a conditions list, and this checks whether X is in between current time and the next step of the current time. So this is, I wonder whether it would be worth having a dictionary that converts between. Something weird is happening to the camera. Is that? I could see it now as well. It's kind of like the camera lags behind like a moment. It's really weird. Oh no, everything is breaking down. So this checks whether X. So this is a function which checks whether X is in the correct interval, in the correct time interval. And the second one is probably the speed function in that duration. Speed modifier of, yeah. So that's the scale. We pass it to the speed modifier function. And rescale it and rescale everything. Yeah, that makes sense. That does make sense. Okay. M and N I still don't really like, but well, it is how it is right now. It updates the current time, it updates the previous node. Okay. Funk. Where did that come from? Is that used anywhere? That doesn't seem to be used. Camera lagging hard? Still? Or not anymore? Because for me it looks okay again. I think you should be fine. Beans. Even highlighted. Indeed, beans. It's a local function. Now I understand. This is not even a method. It's just a local function. Okay. And it sets the rate function to this. Piecewise. So it sets the okay, I understand. It sets the rate function of the original animation to a piecewise defined function. That makes sense. Change speed to dt new x self t. Yeah, I mean, semantically, I think it would be nice to have the parameter called t. Another nitpick. Semantically, it would be nice if the parameter were called t as well. Because then we have here new t minus self t times the animation runtime, the scaled version, and then we get the difference. That's good. This is an interesting concept that you let the animations change the class variable. I think this is problematic if you try to play several of those at the same time. It's probably not great then, but otherwise the function can't access the. I mean, technically you could bind self in a keyword argument to a second parameter of the function and still pass it. But this seems kind of painful. Just thinking out loud. If the rate function modifies change speed, modifies the class variable, then playing several change speed animations simultaneously or with a lag ratio will cause problems. Perhaps one could change it to instance variables instead and bind self to the rate function as the default argument of an additional keyword argument. The func t animation equals self to get around that. Not sure whether this works. So that's one way I can see to perhaps resolve this. I think it should work in some capacity. It's definitely not the cleanest approach, but if you really need to have the function modify the animation object, then this is one way to pass it as an additional keyword argument to the rate function. And then you can use it technically in there. It's probably better than... Yeah, I don't know. No idea whether this really works, but you can see. Self.t. Oh wait, it's setting self.t anyways. Can you do that? If you have a reference to self in the body of a function, which is then passed to somewhere else, the reference kept intact, then I don't see the point of using the class variable anyways. Then I'm just confused. Well, it is how it is. It's fine. Okay. Okay, then this is instantiated. Good. I don't think that there's anything wrong with this. Total time times animation runtime. Ah, so the total time is also scaled. An unscaled version of the time. That's kind of weird. Wait, is it? It has to be, right? Yeah, sure. Because the nodes are in relative time. Yeah, but I mean, these are nitpicks. The output of this is not the actual total runtime of the animation, but the relative. But yeah, it's a relative version of it, but a relative version instead. Perhaps this should be renamed accordingly. Okay. I think, yeah. Then interpolate just uses the interpolate of the animation. Update objects uses the update objects of the animation. That's fine. So this is actually. I mean, it makes sense to have this be an animation because it needs to be played as one. But technically speaking, this is like a shallow wrapper around the animation more than anything else. So it's sort of questionable to whether this should really be a separate animation class, but I can see the that it's convenient to have it like that. Change speed, changed is true and false. Yeah, same here with the class variables. It's kind of weird again. Whether the changed weight has to be a changed weight or whether we could just... So this is because it needs to... The weight animation needs to behave well and... What does interpolate actually do for the weight animation? I'm curious now. Animation. What's the time? 3. Okay. Class weight. Interpolate just passes. And this one here? I wonder why this is necessary. Oh no, it's not. I don't have the code locally yet. I do wonder why this is necessary. Because, I mean, what do we have here? Weight. To stop clicking out of it. Get sub alpha. But get sub alpha also doesn't really do anything, does it? That makes no sense to me whatsoever. Why is this necessary? Is it because of the linear weight function? Class weight. But this is also passed, so you could pass the linear weight function to the weight as well. I don't understand why the adapted weight class is necessary. Because this doesn't return anything, it doesn't do anything. The interpolate function here. And the get sub alpha, there's no separate implementation of that. Is there one for the weight itself? I don't think so. No. No, it used the generic one. Okay. Let's ask. We ask. Can you explain why this modified class is required? I've compared the implementation to the parent weight class, but I couldn't really find anything that justifies creating your own weight here. Aside perhaps the explicitly the rate function being set to linear instead of smooth by default, but this could be, I mean, this is there's something initialized as a changed weight somewhere here, right? Yeah, here. I think this could be just adopted. But this could be set explicitly as well. Instead of implementing a separate class for it. There was something else I wanted to say and then I forgot. And calling gets up alpha also doesn't really do anything. So the, oh wait, the return function is called. The rate function is called. Does that make a difference? It probably does because wait. That perhaps makes sense. It probably needs to call the rate function because of this. Because this explicitly constructed rate function. Yeah, that's probably it. Where is it? I complained somewhere already about it. Here. No. Here. Because this does something. This changes. Yeah. That's probably the reason. So you need the function to evaluate the rate function, but I still think that subclassing is perhaps a bit overkill for that. Would it be cleaner to locally assign something to the interpolate method, or would it be cleaner to do like some sort of, I don't know, anonymous class subclass thing? Okay, I understand at least why this is necessary. This is something, right? This is something. Okay, so I need to change the comment. If I understand correctly, this change is necessary because you need the interpolate method to call, what's the thing? The rate function, right? If this is the sole reason, then this still feels a bit convoluted. What does get sub alpha do exactly? Does it do the correct thing? Get sub alpha. It passes alpha. There's an index and the number of sub-objects. If the index and the number of sub-objects both is 0, because that's what he passes, then the full length equals number of sub-objects minus 1. It's minus 1 times the lag ratio plus 1 for the full length. Wait, what? Times the lag ratio? Is the lag ratio 0 by default or something like that? Because otherwise this is pretty weird. Then there might be a negative lag ratio if you pass 0 number of sub-objects. Anyhow, I mean, what gets computed here? In case the full length is not plus 1. So okay, let's assume the full length actually is 1 in for our practical purposes. Then alpha times full length is the value. So this is the actual, still not the actual time value actually. And lower equals index times lag ratio. So lower is still 0. I just realized I slept while watching the stream. Welcome back to the land of the living. Okay, so if lag ratio is set, then this here can be actually 1. Less than 1. Which is kind of weird for the full length. And then it just evaluates the rate function of value minus lower. And lower should be 0, and value should be alpha times full length. And full length should be 1. So it's basically calling rate function of alpha. I think it might be a good idea to do that more explicitly, in a sense. So perhaps it would make sense to just locally assign, to locally bind a new method to, or an overwritten method to the wait class that then executes the interpolate. Because otherwise, I mean, let's write that in the comment there. To call the rate function right if this is the sole reason and still feels convoluted. My suggestion would be to locally assign wait animation object dot interpolate to a bound method which explicitly evaluates self-rate function of alpha, of t alpha. And does nothing else. We do this somewhere. Where do we do that? I know that we construct a method somewhere. In transform? Wait, what? Really? No. I could have sworn we do that somewhere. Why are you here? Types method type getter self. Wait, how does this work? Object is the... Object is the last parameter and getter is the function. So... Read when you're done thinking. You have 2743 on the list? I think I do. Where's my list? There it is. 2743. Yes, it's there. It's there. So how... Wait. Where was the file that I was at right now? Where was I? Now I know why you wrote I should do this when I'm done thinking. No. So this here returns a method. But it's one that's already evaluated, I think. Wait, how does that work? Can I just go ahead and... let's create a class A, which has a method hello self. And usually hello sets self.x to 42. And then we create an object of that class. And then we say a.hello. And now a.x is 42. Okay. And now if I go and say a.hello import types. And now if I say a.hello equals lambda. Wait. What do I assign a method type? I'm really confused now. No, I think it's fine actually. Types, method type. I think I understand. Lambda self. Wait, but what is self then? Probably A, because it's bound to A. Yeah, that makes sense. Lambda self dot x is set to... Wait, I can't do that. I can't do assignments in a lambda statement, right? You know what? Let's just print self.x. And then, comma, it's bound to A. And now perhaps we can go a.hello and it should print 42. Yes, okay. Easy. Is this the stream that's to be premiered on Manim CE Labs? No, I don't actually know who does the Manim CE Labs thing. And it would be very interesting to know because officially we do have a YouTube account, and it would actually be nice if the videos or the streams went there, but I can't contact whoever does the Manim CE Labs YouTube account because I have no means of contacting them. I actually, they uploaded the stream where I discussed the render loop for several hours, and they recently uploaded it. And because I had it uploaded on my YouTube, I received a content warning, and then I sent an email via the content warning message system to that person, but they have not reacted to it, unfortunately. Do you know Theorem of Beethoven? Yeah, sure. Sure. Sure, I know them. Okay. So we have this. Now, how can we use... I wanted to provide a suggestion for the thing. But I can't... Oh, well. I can't return that. That's the problem. So we need to... Wait, does interpolate... Is the output of interpolate used anywhere? I don't think it is. No, these usually don't return anything. Yeah, it's not used. So actually what we could do is the following. We could go and say where is the part where the weight is created? If type anim is weight, let's go look at that. What about doing something like this instead? Paste. So this, instead of returning a changed weight thingy, we could do the following. Wait. Wait, what? Did not count correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. What? Why is this not even a multiple of 4? What is going on? Huh? I mean, you know what? I don't even need these anyways. Because the rate function is set afterwards anyways, right? Wait, how does that work? Return prepare animation, but that's not the thing. The rate function of the animation of the change speed animation is used anyways, so that's fine. Wait, but no, wait, but then I don't understand again. Oh no. Okay. So the rate function of the function is set here. So that makes sense. So all that we need to do here is Jesus. Okay, we manage. We can do this, chat. We can do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Animation dot rate dot interpolate equals types method type lambda self gets mapped to yo, thanks for following, Silly Only. Appreciate it. Gets mapped to self.ratefunc lambda self and alpha, something like that, and then this is bound to the animation anim. And then it should be okay. Question is whether this binds it to a particular rate function, in which case this would have this change would have to happen later after the rate function has already been assigned to the animation. But I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure. It's a good question, actually. I have no idea. Well, we'll see. Oh wait, I should have fixed the... If I understand correctly, this change is necessary because you need the interpolate method to call the rate function, right? If this is for some reason, then this still feels a bit convoluted. My suggestion would be to locally assign rate function object interpolate to a bound method which explicitly evaluates the rate function. It does nothing else. Okay, no, it was a sentence already. I fixed that. Good. Okay, and I think with that we are done. Because otherwise I think this is pretty reasonable, everything. I don't like the use of the class variables here as well. Does it have to be a class variable? And the only other thing that I don't fully agree with, or that I don't fully like, is that there's a class method add updater. But I think I'll leave it at that, and I think there's enough to discuss already in terms of feedback. I think I'll just comment. There's nothing really that was completely wrong or anything. Thank you very much for... Thank you for your contribution, for your reworked contribution. This is indeed much cleaner than the last approach. I like it quite a lot. I have not fully read the code yet, but am mainly just missing the static add updater. Was there some reasoning why this is necessary? To apply speed change to update risk, you can use blob and wrap weight with change speed to get change DT. Ah, I understand. Well, it's kind of weird, isn't it? I'm not sure I like that part of the design a lot, but well, anyhow. This is still very pretty. Let's look at it again. It fits very well, I think. Makes sense. I like this animation quite a lot for some reason. It's very satisfying, this initial push here. Is there actually like a frame where the force gets applied? Because it looks so sudden. I mean, it would happen very sudden, wouldn't it? Fun. Cool. Okay. Okay. Where were we? The static updater method, which seems a bit odd to me, but I understand I think I understand the idea behind it. But from what I have read, I don't really see a lot of. Don't really think that a lot of. But from what I've read, I think this is in a pretty good state already. Take a look at my comments. For more detailed remarks. Okay, go. Cool. We did something. This will be very nice to have. I really like the idea of it. Okay, so what's next? I maybe do one more and then I'm getting hungry, I think. I'm actually already quite a little bit hungry, but maybe there's a quick one. Maybe there's a quick one that we can do. Where is my list? So what did we check? 2746 was this one, right? No, 2739 was this one. Okay. Which one was the one that Mr. Diver asked earlier about? 2743. That's that one. Replace assert with NP testing assertions. Yeah, I think that one should be fine, right? Because, I mean, if the tests pass... Let's check it out and test locally. 2743. 27 for free. Okay, so what did this change exactly? This changed all close and stuff to dedicated NumPy testing functions. And I think this is pretty good because they have more debug output. Let's go to, I don't know. Lots of OpenGL stuff. Test axis shift, and then let's see what happens if we modify one of these a little bit. Test axis shift. So if we go here and then change this to like 41, and then we run it by test. Tests. Test axis shift. No. Now we go. Failed is good. If there's more debug info about why it failed, it would be even... Yeah, that's pretty good. Not equal to tolerance, mismatched elements 1 out of 3, absolute difference, relative difference, it prints both arrays. That's pretty useful. Cool. I didn't know that there were these testing functions for NumPy stuff. But that's really pretty useful, to be honest. Okay. So I fixed the test again, and then I think we just... is there anything else? I could check whether in testing we check for np dot. Why is there only so few results? Because it's not testing, it's tests. NP array, NP testing. I could actually do a regex search and then exclude testing and see what comes up. Let's see what I can still write regexes. Not. Do I need it? I don't even know. I think this can just be a group. Not group, and the group should be testing. No, that doesn't work. Okay, I've managed to match np dot, and then I want to match anything that's not testing. Wait, this is just a... No. Is it tilde? Why do I keep forgetting that? Yo, chat, any regex experts in chat right now? I don't know, VS regex. Game. Negation. Oh, it should be that actually. Oh wait. Maybe with a negative look ahead. Maybe that's this. Question mark T. Yes. Okay. Managed. Easy. I cheated, I had Stack Overflow open the other window. What do we have there? 200 results, we can quickly check that. NP array. Where is close? This is one that could perhaps be changed as well. np.where, what does that do? Where true, yield x, otherwise yield y. What? That can be replaced too? Yeah, I think so. I don't even understand why there's an np where there. Because there's just a condition. There's an np testing assert all close. Do you think that's the correct one? Oof. Almost threw my markdown. Wouldn't have been very great. np testing all close. Assert all close. Then we don't have to assert. How did it look for the others? np testing assert. Yeah. We can remove the assert here. np testing assert or close, and then we just pass the first one and the second one. Something like that, right? Okay, back to our search. Okay, with this we have done get frame. It's all arrays. You know what? Maybe we also include arrays. Probably test it? Yeah, sure. I'll test it before I commit. $90 results still. Chords, NP round, NP cosine, NP A round, zeros, norm, pi round, pi and pi, round, pi, zeros, pi, round, NP unique, is close, is, whoop. These can be changed probably as well. Yeah, test units. Not R. That looks like it should stay. NP all true. I mean, I'm not sure whether all true is, probably it's fine. A round cosine, A round, norm, unique, log, sine, cosine, root, uint, np, arrange, linspace, xy, as array, arrange, as array, arrange, load, another where, but this time it's perhaps... that's kind of weird. Okay, there's something excluded in between here, that's fine. Logical not, arc where. Yeah, I think that's the only thing that should also change. That was in test units. Assert NP is right. There we go. NP testing. Assert R close. Does it make sense if I don't have ND arrays that I test? I'm not quite sure if it's the right one. Could take a look at the docs. What? Reading documentation? Really?
Wherever you go, I'm always with you.
Clicking link. I think that's fine. Something I've learned to do with Manim. Which docs did you read? There aren't any. No, this looks fine. I think this is fine. Not the Manim docs, but the Python ones? That makes more sense indeed. Assert R close. So I can just put config frame height 80. I think that should be fine. Maybe let's test this before we keep on replacing all of them. PyTest, test unit. Perhaps it complains already, then we shouldn't.
We were together.
And otherwise it's... I think it would work fine for these as well. Yeah, it does. But I had saved it, right? Yeah. Okay. I was wondering whether running tests takes too much performance. NP testing. Wait, I can just. Should I replace these? It's kind of the play, right? Assert NP is close with NP testing assert R close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, we replaced them all. Easy. Okay, try again. Nervous laughter. That's my part usually. Looks good. 30 seconds test? Wait, what? Wait, what? This is not a regression, right? This is because the... What's it called? Is this in PyProject, Tom? Yeah, it's here. I think it's here. PyTest. I'm pretty sure this is just because... Yeah. Because of the entire spinning up parallel tester things. And for running singular tests, this is actually not great. Or there's a lot of overhead, because for some reason my system is a little bit slow right now. Might be because I'm streaming and stuff. Shouldn't be that slow, to be honest, but well. It is how it is. It is how it is. Okay, I think we... Wait, the other one was this one, test access shift, right? No, this one was the one that I modified initially. And which was the other one? Which one did I change? Uh-oh. Test Boolean ops. Right, we should run that as well. Yo, but I could... While we're at it, could run this test quickly. PyTest, tests, test, Boolean ops. Isn't this one? Probably. There we go. Passes, easy. Easy clap. This one, not this one. Changed some more asserts to numpy testing star. Oh, good stuff. And then we push. Refresh. There we go. Thanks for your contribution. You, Mr. Driver, you also have the... you're also eligible to approve and merge PRs now. Usually the rule is we... if someone reviews it, we approve it and leave it open for a little while in case someone else wants to check it out. And otherwise we merge it eventually. I've added one additional commit, changing 2 more tests, but now all possible, tests. Everything that is possible should have been converted. I'm glad to put in reviews, but approving. You could even hit the merge button if you wanted to on this one. In case you have accepted the invitation to the organization already. I think I sent it out earlier today. Merging. Okay. I think we can let the CI pipeline run. And wait, what happened with the other one? Wait, where's my... Oh, someone did that. Oh, Naveen did it. Great. Great. So actually, we should be able to go back to this one now and say update branch. Git reset maximum is a hard initial commit. Please be careful. No, it's possible that the main branch is still sort of protected. I'm not sure though. I think I could still push to the main branch. But that might be because I'm admin. I think we have the main branch should be protected. I think GitHub has main protect by default. I think we do. I think we do. Branch protection rules, main. Main branch is protected, no worries. All good. Okay, and with that, I think I'm actually getting hungry enough that I want to prepare food. What did we manage today? I've left a review. Left review easy. We have done the short one, I think. Was that the 2743? Yeah, 2743. Easy clap. Okay, and with that, I think even though the other two, this one, the 27, I mean, I can still continue a little bit later. I just want to get food first and maybe I'll do some more in the afternoon, in the late afternoon. Yeah, I think that's it for now. This was very enjoyable. This was very enjoyable. Thanks for watching, everyone. Choose food channel point reward. I already have something in mind for today. So no choosing food by chat, but we'll see. There might be, if I feel like it and feel like there's enough time, there might be a second stream a little bit later, and if not, then well, not. In my Discord, I'll keep you guys updated sometimes on when I intend to stream it, when not. It might be probably no daytime stream again tomorrow though. Might be next weekend or so, maybe if things go well. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out. This was pretty sweet. We will continue working through the list of PRs and yeah, perhaps maybe some gaming. Well, maybe there will be a gaming stream. We'll see. Have a good afternoon, evening, or wherever you are right now, and see you again soon.